Hey guys, so welcome back to DelveStack, and today I will be showing you how to send files through Discord. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord website, or if you have an application, just simply open it up. Now, once you are here, you could just simply go ahead and go to one of your server. And here on your server, just simply go to one of your channel. So for example, I'm going to go for the general over here. And now here, I could just simply go ahead and select the plus icon over here on the left side of the screen. And now, as you can see, we will have multiple options over here. So pretty much you could just simply select upload a file over here in order for you to proceed with this process, and just simply locate the file that you are willing to send into your server. So for example, I'm gonna go for a JSON source file, select open, and from here I will have the file over here, and I could have a spoiler attachment as well, or I could modify the attachment as well, and pretty much I can change the file name over here based on my preference, and I can mark it as a spoiler as well. And you could add a message over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for download this file, or any description about the file that you want to tell your friends on the server. And after that, they should be able to see the file, and you should be able to send a file into the Discord. So pretty much you could just simply click the plus icon over here in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much they could download it as well if they want to. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.